We're moving in 10 days. Oh, we're trying to figure all these things out.
No more couch.
Hello guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. If you are, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. The place is a mess. We got Brooks in the background. I've looked cuter. However, things are happening around here. I just had my birthday week. Honestly, it's been crazy. All my friends just left and we are moving in 10 days. So it's time to buy some boxes to clean it up. And we just found out that we're having like a pre-move walkthrough on Thursday. So I need to take down my kitchen. I did a video before on my channel where I DIY'd my kitchen. So I did cabinet stickers in my kitchen and my bathroom, and I did a marble countertop sticker as well. And it's time to take it off. So this is going to be the reveal to see what kind of damage I did, if I can get it off. I've watched a few things on how to get it off. I'm going to use a hairdryer to really release it. I also have Goo Gone. So we got to get this process started. It might take more than one day, I'm sure, but I'm gonna start now. So let me get everything ready, then I'll bring you into my kitchen. All right, the move is starting. We got bubble wrap in, we got boxes in. We're starting to go through stuff, trying to get rid of everything that we do not want to move with. So far, this is the pile that's accumulating. We're going through some cups now. Our kitchen has gone back to atrociousness. We just went through all these drawers and we got some things to donate. A lot thrown away. RIP. Now we have to go through my mugs. Alright, pick out the mugs you think that should go. Our Christmas mugs. Our most prized possession. And this is what's staying. That one hurt. But like,
we're not like a cup of joe.
I know, I never use the mugs anyway. Now we got all this glassware. Alright, our donate pile is growing. Donate all this. Gonna be getting rid of a lot of stuff, so it's gonna be nice. Brooks is all by his lonesome over there. Brookie! Oh my god, look at his face, Dan. Look at him. Alright guys. I don't look the cutest, but it's alright. We're in day 2 of the start of our move. So we just had a little walkthrough of the apartment and we're looking good to go. We are going to tackle the closets today, which is a big job. And we are continuing getting rid of things. It's like too early to start putting things in boxes, but we really need to like start packing almost. I don't know, it's like I have the itch. I want to start opening these bad boys and putting everything in, but then we'll have to live in boxes. We're struggling a little bit on like how to go about this, but we just want to start packing because we know it's going to take a while, and the movers want like an inventory, but we don't fully know how many boxes it will take until we pack it. So like, yeah, it's all confusing. But anyway, we are going to tackle the closets today, go through it and try to get a better inventory of what we're taking with us. And I have done my nails twice and they have already come off, and like I lost all of my length too. Like, moving is stress on your nails, honestly. So I'm just not gonna do them for a little while. So I'm gonna look like this, which drives me kind of crazy, but that's fine. I have bigger fish to fry. Wearing these Adidas sweats, just a Skims tank top, and my slippers. Nothing crazy because it's a work day. We are putting our couch up to sell and I'm trying to get rid of some furniture. It's hard to get rid of things also, like even just throw them away, because you have to like pay to get them removed, and we're trying to figure all these things out. But we're gonna go through this bad boy, which honestly has been the vein of our existence living in this apartment. Honestly, if you can, doors like this, the accordion doors, suck. Especially this apartment, it always gets stuck here, it won't shut. So yeah, these doors really suck. If you can not have to live with them, I would recommend it. So this closet has caused us some pain, and it's gonna be good to get rid of most of the stuff in here. Right, guys, I think it's day 2 of what's gonna be my moving vlogs. I look crazy, you know, when you're doing so much, I feel like something's gotta go, and that's gonna be how I look in these videos, and I apologize for that, but you know, this is real life here. I feel like when you're moving, you end up wearing the weirdest stuff, like what is this? But trying to stay cool, and I'm going through my clothes, so I'm trying to wear some stuff that I might get rid of. But our place is becoming a mess, and I thought it was too late, or it's too far out. We move exactly in a week to start packing boxes, but since we're already going through things, we have to sell things, it's already becoming a mess in here, so we might as well like put some stuff away into boxes and start breaking some furniture down. We're gonna get rid of this TV stand, so we're gonna break it down, get rid of it, and be able to put some boxes here, put some boxes here. So that is the job today. I've really spaced this out over the week, so it's been an easier process, instead of like, why would I pack this all in 3 days if I have the time now, and then we can just enjoy our last couple of days here. So yeah, let me show you what the apartment's looking like. Like, we had to take down a frame, and we're trying to like sell the furniture, so we just gotta get rid of some stuff. These are the boxes we're using, so I'm gonna start making some of those. Like, this place is a mess, so why not just pack it up, you know? I went through all my Christmas stuff. I had to get rid of a lot of it. I think I'll start putting this stuff in first. Not bricks of stuff, but this is like random stuff, you know? Tech and games, like we won't need that for the next week. A lot of these decor pieces we like definitely are not utility, you know? So I'll go through this. Getting kind of sad because I do really like this place, but also super excited for our next one. But like, look, I can't even get to the mirror. Brooks is freaking out because there's so much stuff around, so I feel like if I can pack it up a little bit, it'll be easier on him. That's the job today. Let's get started. I'm not really having to do anything with moving, but I made these bars and they're so good. They're like dates, cashews, dark chocolate, you know, delicious little protein things for the morning. Just making it a lot easier because we have no food and we don't want to buy any food. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna start packing now. Wish me luck.
Someone's coming to come pick up the couch. Here's the last looks. Ooh. No more couch.